Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're diving into a super important topic for all you website owners out there: how to change your PHP version in cPanel. Trust me, this can be a game changer for your site's performance and security. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, and it's a scripting language that powers a lot of websites. Each PHP version comes with new features, performance boosts, and crucial security updates. So keeping it up to date is a must. Alright, let's jump into the process. First, we need to access your cPanel. Open up your web browser and type your domain followed by /cPanel. For example, https://yourdomain.com/cPanel. Hit enter and you'll see a login page. Enter your cPanel username and password. You usually get these from your hosting provider. Once you're in the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the software section. Here you'll find options like Select PHP Version or MultiPHP Manager depending on your cPanel's version. Click on the one that's available in your cPanel. Now it's time to change your PHP version in cPanel. If you see the Select PHP Version option, click on it to open the PHP management interface. On the Select PHP Version page, you'll see a drop-down menu with a list of available PHP versions. Choose the one you want for your website. Scroll down to the PHP extensions section. Here you can enable or disable PHP extensions based on your needs. Just make sure they're compatible with the PHP version you picked. Once you're happy with your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Change PHP Version button to apply the changes. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your PHP version has been updated successfully. Don't forget to save your settings before leaving the page. On the other hand, if you have the MultiPHP Manager option, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the PHP version management interface. In the MultiPHP Manager interface, you will see a list of all your domains and subdomains. Use the checkboxes to select the domain for which you want to change the PHP version. Once you have selected the domain, look for the drop-down menu labeled PHP Version at the top of the page. Click on it to reveal the list of available PHP versions. After selecting the desired PHP version, click the Apply button to save your changes. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the PHP version has been successfully updated for the selected domain. And there you go, you've successfully changed your PHP version using MultiPHP Manager. But wait, how do you know if it actually worked? Simple, log into your cPanel account and head to the software section. If you use the Select PHP Version tool, you'll see the current PHP version right on that page. Make sure it's the one you selected. If you use the MultiPHP Manager, you'll find a table listing the PHP version for each domain. Double check that the version is updated correctly for the domains you tweaked. And that's it. You've successfully changed your PHP version in cPanel. Regularly updating your PHP version is key to keeping your site running smoothly and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. Happy coding!